Hey guys, what's going on? And in this video I shall be going to World Time Attack Challenge in Sydney Motorsport Park. Well, yeah, in Sydney. It's in the Sydney Motorsport Park. Anyway, to start things off, this is what I said the day after. I went to a nearby restaurant called Cavalinos. They usually have some exotics around. And yeah, there was 3 Lamborghini Galados. One of them was a Superleggera. And there was also a Di Tommaso, an old Alfa Romeo, and this Maserati over here. And as far as I'm aware, the Superleggera is one earlier than 2007 because it has the rear engine bay that isn't clear. I don't know exactly what year. Anyway, there's a Porsche Cayman GT4, and I saw this exact one the day before I went to highlight of the video, Pagani Huayra BC, one of only 20 ever going to exist. And yay, there was also Pagani's on the C12. That's the only Pagani in Australia. So yeah, that was pretty special. Both of the Paganis united together. There's on the probably already back now. It's left-hand drive in Australia. And it's probably going back to Italy or wherever. You know, the C12 is staying in Australia, so I might go and find that and see it again in videos. But yeah, that's pretty cool. It was on the C12. It's fun.
It works, and it's worth it.
Actually, interior from the side, the doors, it's just really cool. I like this kind of one. I really like this cross. One of them cost about $3 million. It's just crazy. It's very fast. It has a Mercedes AMG engine. It's pretty amazing. We'll have a look at the engine later. Also, look at the detail on the interior of the polygraphs and stuff. There's the yeah, there's the engine. I'm pretty sure that it's a V12. I hope I'm not wrong there. I like like I said, well, I haven't said this yet, but I am not really sure what Pagani's have. Pretty sure they're V12s. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'd really like to know. Are those V8s or V12s? I think they're V12s. Anyway, GTS outside as well. I just want these two Paganis. It's just amazing, two Paganis. Oh, and this is the car that belongs to someone I follow on Instagram. Their name is Dang Bat. So yeah, they oh, those two cars. I'll have to mention those in a future video. I'm going to sound kind of PRs. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I'm not giving any more spoilers. Anyway, Dodge Charge Hellcat, the R32 McLaren 570S, and this stupidly priced out London Countach. I was so sad when I saw this literally. It's London Countach's currently drag cars. It looks hideous. And so there's subtle changes, like the license plate says. Anyway, that was it for this video, guys. I'm going to end it off with a bit of Forza Horizon 3 gameplay. But yeah, that was it for this video, guys. Goodbye.